Wow, good morning. Welcome to an episode of Born Fish and Die Fishing. Here we are today in an absolutely different location, as you can see. We are on holiday in Gran, Canaria. Thought I'd bring the rods with me. As you can see, I've got a little float out there at the minute. And yeah, I'm gonna get one out there on a leisure, on either to a flapper or boom rig, and then blast it out there. But yeah, I've been trucking and bread, they've been coming up for that. Plenty of little fish about, not seen nothing sizable yet, but yeah, hopefully, like they're nicking my bait off anyway, so I've changed to a smaller hook, so there's quite a lot of small fish down there, but yeah, so I'm gonna get my other rod set up, and I'll get back to you. Oh, what a beautiful setting. Palm trees everywhere. Absolutely beautiful. But right, I'm gonna set the other one up and I'll get back to you. Wow, just got a little puff of fish there. It's a first for me. But yeah, that was out there on a bit of squid. And he's making some weird odd noises. Yeah, he's barely hooked. There it is. Yeah, a little puffer fish. Haven't ever had one of them before. I'm hoping he don't blow up when I touch him. Oh. Oh. I don't want it to bite me because I know he's got teeth. Yeah, lovely little puffer fish there. I want to get a little picture of him and get him checked back. Just walking to the shop to grab a drink. Stupidly I didn't get one. But yeah, I'm seeing loads of fish in this marina. Look all down there. Loads of them there. I was seeing some bigger ones a minute ago. A couple of alright sized mullet there. Not bad size, but yeah, under the boats I see a couple of decent sized bass to be fair. But yeah, I need a drink, so heading to the shop. A couple of bass down there, no bream, sorry. Yeah, heading to the shop just up here. Grab a few drinks, something to eat. And yeah, crack on with fishing. But yeah, it's not been too productive so far. My bait's coming in stripped on the float, which I'm just either putting prawn or ragwort. No, I'm squid, sorry. And yeah, that's getting stripped. And yeah, I'm putting a 2-hook boom rig out there. And yeah, that's baited with squid or prawn as well. But yeah, so I had puffer fish on the 2-hook boom rig, so I can't complain. Never caught a puffer fish before, so something new. Quite happy with that. But yeah, like I said, gonna grab a few drinks and yeah, go crack on. But alright, get back to you soon. Fish galore. Loving the bread. Actually got mullet, bream. I've seen some damsel fish, short-neck wrasse. A few I'm not sure what they are. Some decent sized mullet there to be fair. Yeah, they're going mad for the bread. But there's a few damsel fish. The black ones are the blue. Well, that's what I want to catch. I'd love a little damsel fish. Plenty of bass and mullet there. They're not bass, bream, sorry. But yeah. And for anybody wondering why I'm not actually fishing in Marina where there's a lot of fish, yeah, you're not actually allowed. You're not allowed to fish beaches in daylight, only at night, and yeah, you're not allowed to fish marinas at all. So yeah, that will be why. Yeah, I would obviously like to fish in Marina. There is a lot of fish in there. But like most of the time they're in there for a reason, because nobody's fishing it. It's a nice little safe haven for them. So but yeah, plenty of fish in there. Some lovely boats along here. There's just a nice old walk. The shop's just over there. Grab a couple of drinks and head back. But right, I'll see you soon. Well, not too much to report on still. Clouded over a little bit, which is actually quite nice because yeah, I am roasting. Got cooked the last few days, as you can see. But yeah, I've got a third rod out there. Got one on a 2-hook flapper, no, 2-hook boom rig, sorry. Yeah, it's out there with ragwort, no, not ragwort, squid. And then I've got the other one with a 3-hook flapper. And yeah, that's got squid and prawn out there. And yeah, I've just changed that from a float just to a little drop shot in close. Because yeah, I was floating, but I've run out of bread, and yeah, to be honest, I've got the smallest hooks I got, probably size 10 carp hooks, and yeah, my bait's just getting taken by all these little mullet, and I'm not actually hooking any, so I've got to change over to a drop shot, see how it goes. But yeah, like I said, not too much to report on at the minute. There's old Maspalomas lighthouse over there. But yeah, fingers crossed, I'll show you a few more fish. I'm happy with the puffer fish so far, like I said. Never caught one before, so can't complain. But yeah, I'd definitely like a few more fish to show you. So yeah, right, hopefully you'll actually see with a few. Well, still nothing to report on, unfortunately. But yeah, been very quiet. We're getting the odd bites and that, but I just think it's smaller fish just attacking my bait, to be honest with you. I've got quite small hooks on, hoping to catch one of the smaller fish, but yeah, not really happening, to be honest. Yeah, I've been about 4.5 hours now, and yeah, like I said, very quiet, so probably give it a little bit longer, and then yeah, might call it a day, to be honest. It's hard work on all these rocks, walking up and down these like an idiot. I wore flip-flops, so yeah, it's not ideal, but it is what it is. But yeah, probably give it a little bit longer, and then yeah, call it a day. Probably go out maybe one more trip. But yeah, I'm gonna probably think where. See if I try to get a beach maybe in the evening or something. Yeah, I don't fancy all these rocks, they're a bit hard work, to be honest. So yeah, right, give it a bit longer, I'll get back to it. As you can see, that's me packed up. Yeah, just heading out. I've been here about 4.5 hours now, and yeah, literally at one fish, and other than that, it's a bit quiet. So yeah, I thought I'd give up, go get a bit of food and that. I'm quite hungry, and yeah, try another day. But I've got a couple of other spots planned out. Yeah, just see how they go. But right, get back to you next time. Alright, good morning. Welcome to another episode of One Fish and Die Fishing. Here I am, back up today in Gran Canaria. Yeah, a bit of a different location today. Yeah, I thought I'd try a bit of beach fishing. I don't know, you can't really class it as beach fishing, to be fair, but you know what I mean. But yeah, missed over there. I'm not sure what she's doing, to be honest. But yeah, literally just got here. So we're going to get set up. And then yeah, get back to you. But I'm going to chuck 2 rods out there, one probably on a boom rig, one on a flapper. Yeah, chuck that out there, some squid or prawn on. So yeah, I might set up a float. I just see a few guys. I doubt you'll be able to make them out. But yeah, them couple of people you can see on that little spit out here. They're fishing, and yeah, I see them pulling out a couple of fish. But yeah, there's quite a few people down there. It was packed out, so there wasn't really much room for me, so I thought I'd come down the other side. But yeah, I'm in Maspalomas, Gran Canaria. Had that puffer fish the other day, which I can't complain, I was happy with that, never caught one. Yeah, so fingers crossed, hopefully show you a few fish today. Right, I'll get back to you soon. Well, I was actually getting crazy bites on both of these, but yeah, as you can see, it's obviously very rocky. Yeah, both of them got snagged. One of them I snapped the hook off, the other one come back with everything on it, but yeah, I was snagged up bad. So yeah, for now, swapped over to a float, put the little prawns on, other little prawns, a little bits of squid, and yeah, it's getting absolutely destroyed. I'm going to cast one out in a minute and try to record it as it's getting bit, but yeah, I haven't actually hooked one yet, which is a bit annoying, but yeah, there's definitely fish out there. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to cast this out and I'll try to record the float for you, and I'll get back to you. Literally just cast out, and look at it, get ripped under, look. Check this out anyway. But yeah, literally as soon as it is the water, you'll pretty much get a bite straight away, whether it's little fish or not. But yeah, I'm gonna go. Well, just switched over to a tiny hook on the float. My bait was getting absolutely destroyed, but I wasn't hooking anything. And yeah, I think it's a lot of smaller fish, so yeah, you never know. Hopefully I might start catching a couple now. But yeah, lovely ornate wrasse here. Look at the blues on his face. Absolutely beautiful fish, I think. Lovely greens, blues, browns. Lovely. Right, get this little guy straight back, hopefully show you a few more. Another absolute beautiful ornate wrasse there. Yeah, I'm more than happy with him. Oh, yeah, look. Shut up, buddy. Absolutely lovely colours on it. Yeah, just come to the float, and that was, what was that? Shrimp, no, prawn again. Got a small prawn, so cannot complain. Hopefully now I'll change, I'll start whipping a few more out. Right, check this little guy back. I've got the lure rod out there at the minute, as I was reading it the whole way. Something big come up, smash my float. So yeah, I've been casting this out in about 5 minutes, not really that. But I'm going to change over to that, because it's quite similar looking to the float, so you never know. Sorry if you do see any toes in this video. I've got my toes out, I don't want to get in wet socks and that. Yeah, so I'll warn you just in case. But yeah, right, get this changed over, have a few more casts, give it 5-10 minutes if nothing happens, and then yeah, might change back over to the float then. Not really changed, it's already set up, but yeah, I'm walking right out to the edge here. Now it's actually, the water's dropped a little bit, I'll go right to the edge, so it's quite a decent drop off, so it's quite nice. But like I said, get this changed over, and yeah, get back to it. Another beautiful net wrasse there. Yeah, look at the colours of it. Absolute beauty. Yeah, I'm gonna get this little girl track back. But yeah, I'm literally down right on the end. And I'm getting absolutely destroyed. The blitz just taking me, I'm casting out, my bait is literally getting ripped off it. It's taking me longer to rebait than it actually is to do anything else. It's crazy. But yeah, there's a lot of damsel fish. That's what I really want to catch. They're destroying my bait, but I just haven't managed to hook one yet. Hooked a couple when they come off, but yeah, what a beauty. It's chucking back, look. Beautiful fish there. Yeah, I'll go out. There he goes. Swim and go and recover. But yeah, the wind picks up and it's rather cloudy, but it's still absolutely wild. Yeah, I'm just fishing off the edge here. Just on that little edge, chucking it really close in. I'm watching the damselfish destroy it, but like I said, it was the smallest hook I got, and yeah, I'm still not managed to hook one, but yeah, keep persevering, see if I can get one. Yeah, alright. Well, finally had the fish I've been trying to get, a damselfish. Look, absolute beauty. I've been trying for ages for one of these, but finally got it. They are absolutely beautiful. That's like a fish tank fish. Yeah, loving that. I've been literally trying for ages on the float. Smallest hook I got, tiniest bits of squid. They are literally just ripping me about. I'm barely just keeping the rod in the water, to be honest. It's taking longer to bait up. But yeah, I am loving that. I've just got to watch where I'm walking 1 minute. End up in the drink. But yeah, absolute beauty. More than happy with him. Not the biggest, far from it, but yeah, sometimes beautiful is better than big. But oh, nice looking fish. Right, just let the guy track back. I'll have to show you a few more. There we go. Yeah, I've got loads of them over here just beating up my bait. There must be about 20. I've been getting a bit stressed out trying to hook one, to be honest. Keep hooking them, they come off, they're so hard to hook. Right, I'm going to get a bait back in the water and hopefully show you one more. I just had another one of these lovely damselfish. Absolutely beautiful, look at the colour of the blue. It's crazy. Yeah, lovely fish. Plenty of them down there as well, but yeah, they're bloody hard to catch. As you can see, the tide's going to come a bit now. Back into it. Yeah, we'll get this little guy chucked back. And then hopefully, it's so nice. Yeah, get this guy chucked back, hopefully show you a few more. Another on it right there. Probably the smallest of the bunch, but can't complain. Lovely colours. Alright, get this little guy shot back. I just had another one there. Pretty sure that's a blenny, to be honest with you. Not 100% sure, but yeah, that's what he looks like. Yeah, not a bad little fish. Just come on the float on the squid. Yeah, get this guy shot back. Hopefully show you some more. Absolutely tiny one. It's definitely the smallest of the bunch. I'm going to get this guy shot back. I'm going to take the phone with me because I actually keep having the phone now. I do hope I don't live to regret it because it's a bit to work. So yeah, I hope I don't live to regret it. Fingers crossed the phone ends up all good. But yeah, I didn't actually bring my GoPro on today with me. So I was just using the phone to run to do. It's like a 2 minutes there. Let's get this guy shot back. But yeah, I'm going to take my phone over there with me. I need to grab my rod and left it down there. I'm going to take my phone down there with me and hopefully I won't have to keep walking back up the hook when I get one. But right, see you soon. It's another literally micro on it right there. Literally just got a simple float on, weight, swivel, bit of a 20-pound line. And yeah, just this nice little tiny hook, as you can see. That is small, that's a small fish, small little hook. Yeah, I just dropped them off the edge down into here, and there's plenty of fish cast out just past them rocks. Yeah, loads. Right, I better get this guy chucked back. Oh, I need to go back then. Right, I'm gonna get this little guy chucked back and I'll get back to it. I just dropped this guy in the pool. I've got to try and get him back. Look at him, he's too quick though. He should be alright, the tide comes up to here, but still I'd rather get him out if I can. But he's quick, look at him. Yeah, let's try him over him right there. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, literally, as I went on hooking, he come off. Literally that little guy, casted just outside of them rocks. Lovely colour, not the biggest, but yeah, the fish, I can't complain. Chuck him back. Lovely backdrop. Palm trees, lovely. Yeah, it's low tide at the minute. Right, I'm gonna get the cast out, let's show you more. Yeah, just had another one of these little beauties. I absolutely love them, I think they're so pretty. Damsel fish, absolutely beautiful. Squid, like I said, cast out just past these rocks. Yeah, that's smashed it as soon as it hits the water. All day I've been struggling to keep the bait in the water, it's literally crazy. But yeah, I'll probably give it another hour I think. Yeah, getting a bit hungry, gonna go get some food. Yeah, not too sure, maybe go back out later, or yeah, maybe another day. Or maybe not at all, you never know. But let's see what happens, but right, let's see if I can catch a few more. Yet again, he fell out my hand. That's so hard to hold, it's unreal. Yeah, this could be one of the last to be fair. Another all-neck wrasse there. Let me get him. Come on, lad. Yeah, not bad size little all-neck wrasse there. Can't complain. Get that chucked back. But yeah, that could be it to be fair. Literally, I'm pretty hungry now. Been out here a fair few hours. Would have been nice to show you a few different fish, but to be honest with you, I'm actually well happy with what I've got. I've lost track of how many all-neck wrasse I actually caught. I think about 3-4 damsel fish, which I really wanted, so I'm more than happy with that. But yeah, really can't complain. But yeah, probably pack up now, go grab some grub. And yeah, like I said, you never know. Might be back out tonight, if not, maybe tomorrow. Not too sure yet, but yeah, I'll have to see. Right, see you next time. Well, I had the last couple of casts of the lure rod. I thought I'd show you a couple of things I could see in the rock pool. It's quite cool. Look at this sea slug. I can't tell you exactly what type it is, but yeah, it moves quite quick to be fair. There's plenty of little hermit crabs in there. Plenty of those. Another sea slug down there just on the left. Oh, another one there to be fair, there's quite a few of them. Yeah, this one here's got a beast. Another little hermit crab in there. There's plenty of these little hermit crabs. Look, they actually move quite quick. Look, he's going quite quick, that guy, watch out. You got these hermit crabs, plus that sea slug. Nice pattern on it. Look, here he comes out, watch this one, we got quite quick. See his little legs poking out. Yeah, I just like looking for the sea slug, to be honest. I ain't seen nothing like that. Yeah, there's a few other ones start looking about, the more you see it, to be fair. Right, I'll catch you at the next spot. Good evening. Welcome to an episode of Born Fish and Die Fishing. Here we are today, still in Gran, Canaria. Down at the lighthouse in Maspalomas. I've got one rod out there at the minute. I might just stick to the one rod, to be honest. I did have it out there on the rolling lead a minute ago, and yeah, with the current and the tide, it's just getting ripped about. I put a gripper on, see if that makes any difference. So yeah, I'm gonna keep one rod out for now, see how it goes. And yeah, if that one ain't too bad, I might grab the other one out. Yeah, I've got a burrito flapper baited with prawns. And yeah, it's just like I said, it's got a gripper out there, the whole bottom. I'm hoping I don't get a snag though, because as you can see, it's quite rocky and stuff. So yeah, just play it by ear, see how it goes. And yeah, never know, I might get back to you with one. Well, as you can see, I've moved a bit. The road just over there, but yeah, the water come up over got me wet. Got wet socks and wet legs, but yeah. Yeah, I've just got the burrito flapper. With prawns cast out there, it's actually getting little bites. So you never know. But it's very snaggy, so it's quite hard to get your rigs back, that's the only problem. And yeah, I do have another rod out there. That's just a float. That's just got prawn on it. That's quite a decent bite on it there. Yeah, nice little pier. Right at the end of the lighthouse. Lovely sunset. But right, probably check this one out in a minute. Hopefully show you one. That's the sun setting. What a beautiful sunset it is. Absolutely lovely. Yeah, I got snagged up on the burrito flapper. Ended up putting another just running leisure rig on there, see if that does any better. And then yeah, I got a float on the other one with just prawn as well. Yeah, I'm just sat here enjoying the sunset, to be honest. Absolute stunning scenery. That looks like a picture, literally. It's like a postcard right there. Stunning sunset. But yeah, still fishing. Not much to report on. I'm getting bites, but yeah, then I'm getting snagged up. So that's, I don't know what to do really. But yeah, I'll persevere for a little bit. But yeah, hopefully show you one.